Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the brand new 2026 Zeekr X, one of the most futuristic compact electric SUVs entering the market. This is a car built for city life, but packed with features, performance, and design elements that feel like they belong to something far more premium. So sit back and enjoy as we explore everything this EV has to offer. Asterisk. The first thing you notice when looking at the 2026 Zeekr X is its fresh, aerodynamic exterior. Zeekr has kept the compact proportions that made the previous model popular, but the 2026 version brings sharper lines, a sportier stance, and a new level of sophistication. The front fascia is clean and futuristic, with split LED headlights and a smooth, sealed grille that reinforces its EV identity. Frameless doors add a touch of luxury, usually seen in high-end cars, while the hidden door handles give the whole body a sleek, uninterrupted flow. Asterisk. The matte Seattle green exterior option stands out as one of the most unique finishes available, giving the SUV a premium and slightly aggressive look. The blacked-out roof creates a floating effect that enhances the modern design theme. The flush taillight bar extends across the entire rear, giving the back end a futuristic signature glow at night. Depending on the trim, you can choose among 18, 19, or 20-inch alloy wheels, each changing the personality of the car from efficient daily commuter to stylish urban performer. Asterisk. Moving inside. The cabin of the Zeekr X is where this car truly shines. Zeekr has embraced a minimalist interior layout, but has balanced it with high-quality materials and advanced technology. A microfiber headliner, soft touch paneling, and premium upholstery give the cabin a luxury EV feel. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a 14.6-inch touchscreen that not only controls most of the car's functions but can also slide toward the passenger side with a simple touch. This creates a shared infotainment experience and makes long trips more enjoyable. Asterisk. In front of the driver is a sharp digital instrument cluster that keeps all essential information clean and easy to read. Higher trims include an AR head-up display that projects navigation and driving data directly onto the windshield. The ambient ice block lighting system adds atmosphere during nighttime driving, letting you set different moods with soft, glowing illumination across the cabin. Comfort features include ventilated and heated seats, power memory seats, and dual-zone climate control, offering a premium experience for both the driver and passengers. The 13-speaker Yamaha audio system completes the interior with crisp, immersive sound. Asterisk. Under the body. The 2026 Zeekr X is powered by Geely's SEA2 electric platform. Buyers can choose between a single-motor rear-wheel drive version or a dual-motor all-wheel drive variant. The updated rear motor now produces 250 kilowatts, making the RWD surprisingly quick for a compact SUV. The AWD model takes performance even further, combining both motors for up to 365 kilowatts, delivering strong acceleration and confident highway power. With a 66 kilowatt-hours battery, the Zeekr X offers an estimated range of around 440 to 560 kilometers, depending on driving conditions and configuration. Asterisk. Charging is equally impressive, with fast charging capability that takes the battery from 10% to 80% in just under 30 minutes using a DC charger. This makes it a practical choice for daily commutes as well as longer road trips. Asterisk. When it comes to pricing,
Thanks for watching Car Explorer, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next in-depth car review.